Hello language enthusiasts, welcome back to your channel Grammar Genius. I am your language mentor and today we are diving into the fascinating world of English grammar. In this episode, we will be exploring one of the verb tenses that often leaves learners scratching their heads, the present perfect continuous tense. So what exactly is the present perfect continuous tense? Well, it's a mouthful, but fear not. We will break it down step by step. Imagine you want to express an action that started in the past, is still ongoing and may continue into the future. That's where the present perfect continuous tense comes in. Let's break down the structure of this tense. It's formed using the tense perfect of the verb to have, has, the past participle of to be, been, and present participle of the main verb plus ing form. Sounds complex, right? But don't worry, I'll make it crystal clear. For example, I have been learning English for 3 years. The word have been indicates the continuity of an action. Talk about when to use the present perfect continuous tense. It's perfect for situations where the duration of an action is essential. Whether you have been studying, working, or even waiting, this tense helps convey that ongoing aspect. For instances, she has been working on this project all morning. The emphasis here is on the continuous effort over a specific period. Can also give you clues about when to use this tense. Phrases like for and since are your best friends. For indicates the duration, while since points to the starting point of the action. For example, I have been exercising for an hour. She has been living in this city since 2010. Now let's put theory into practice. I'll give you a sentence and I want you to turn it into the present perfect continuous tense. Drop your answer into comments below. Here it is your sentence. Don't forget to answer back. Of course, no language lesson is complete without addressing common mistakes. One frequent error is confusing the present perfect continuous tense with present perfect. Remember, the continuous tense is emphasis the duration and ongoing nature of an action. I have been reading this book. I have read this book. See the difference. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to the present perfect continuous tense. Hope this video helps clarify any confusion you may have had. Remember to practice and stay tuned for more language tips on Grammar Genius. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy learning.